Antes is something from the past. Hi everyone, the word of the day is antes. Antes. This means before. Antes works with feminine and masculine nouns. And there isn't a plural form. Now, let's see a few examples. Antes me enojaba por todo. Antes me enojaba por todo. Antes no te conocía bien. Antes no te conocía bien. ¿Por qué no me lo dijiste antes? ¿Por qué no me lo dijiste antes? Antes me gustaba el color azul. Ahora no. Antes me gustaba el color azul. Ahora no. Antes y después. Antes y después. Now, if you say cuanto antes, it means soon or as soon as possible. For example, haz el trabajo cuanto antes. Haz el trabajo cuanto antes. Okay, that was the word of the day. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Don't forget to go to smelessons.com where I have more information about Spanish and more lessons. Support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye!